Hey, this is Adam with Tech Dive. Today we're going to be talking about Movie Studio 16 Platinum and how to speed up and slow down footage. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of tutorials right now and I am still fuzzy on what I'm doing. So today we're going to do the speed up and slow down footage. So that is a big video that I have made for our main channel. It is the LG review. Is it worth it? And I tell you in the video spoiler, it is. You can watch it on our main channel if you're curious to see what my editing skills look like in action. If you're not though, then don't worry about it. So I'm going to just take a little piece of this here, something where you can see some motion so we can see what we're doing. Let's watch it for a second. I've got it muted down here already, so you can see with the muting that you won't hear me talking over me talking. I just don't want you to have to worry about that. So there we go. There's me talking, swinging the phone around. Let's say we want to speed that up. I want to start swinging the phone around like a mad monkey. To do that, I just hold the control key down, and suddenly the normal edit tool, this is the normal edit tool, so I'm not holding the control key, this is the normal edit tool. If I hit control, that'll turn into time stretch. There is a way to do that down here by selecting the time stretch and compress tool, but the easiest way to do it is to simply hit compress with control, and then you can slide it together. Now I have sped up the footage. I've compressed it, sped it up, boom. It's going to be moving super duper fast. See, I'm swinging it. You can't even see how fast I'm swinging it really, because my laptop isn't good enough to show you that compressed video that quickly right now. I'm sorry I'm editing on my laptop. It is not my prime video editing computer, but it is so much easier to create tutorials from because a lot of reasons. So that's not something I'm going to get into right now, but I'm going to hit control and stretch it back out, and you can stretch it and get it slower. Now notice there's a percentage down here. This is how much faster or how much slower your video is. So if you want to get back to normal, just bring it back to 100%. But if you don't want it back to normal, slide it out. Now it's 50% slower-ish. There. Now it's half speed. So now when I watch it, I'm moving it around like I'm a sloth, moving it at half speed. That is how to speed up and slow down footage. I have another tutorial up for an older version, but it is very similar, and I will redo the tutorial shortly about how to change the pitch of the audio, because if you notice here, I'm going to unmute it for a second. You will hear my voice some more. Listen. Even though the video is slow and I'm talking slower, I'm not talking in a slower pitch. So some people would expect that when the video is slower, it's going to drop the timbre, the tone, the pitch. That's it. It's going to drop the pitch of the voice. And if you want to do that, you can do that with an audio effect. Right-click, pitch, apply real-time or non-real-time audio effect, and you can change the pitch with the pitch shift effect. And simply move this up or move this down to change the style phones. So you're not going to and you can preserve the duration, and what that will do is it will not lengthen or slow down the footage. So you can lengthen or slow down the, not the footage, but the this is what wants me to render it out because I did a non-pre-render effect, but we're not going to add that right now. I can lower the pitch, or I can increase the pitch to match the speed if that's something I want to do, but that's not something that Vegas or Movie Studio 16 Platinum specifically does just because you sped up or slowed down the video. It tries to keep the video sounding as normal as possible. However, when you slow something down 50%, you're going to have some odd sounding audio. That's just the way it works. Thank you so much for watching this Movie Studio 16 Platinum tutorial about how to speed up and slow down footage. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button below, and that will help me out and let me know that it was. Please subscribe if you're looking for more. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you want to connect with us as a whole, please check out our website at techdive.live. We'll have links below, and if you're looking to purchase this software, if you purchase it through our affiliates link, that would help us out a ton. Thanks again so much for watching. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or any video ideas about a tutorial that you're looking for, I would love to try and help you out with that. And again, I'll see you next time.